Port Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 13 nautical miles east of Port Washington, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.